Are you tired of overpacking and underpacking? Let's simplify your travel life with our ultimate packing guide. Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise or a bustling city, these essential tips will ensure a stress-free and stylish trip. Start by packing the essentials: passport, identification, money, phone, charger, and any necessary medications. Don't forget a versatile bag to carry your daily essentials, like a tote, backpack, or crossbody bag. Consider using packing cubes to organize your belongings and maximize space. Pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Consider the weather and activities you'll be doing. Pack for different weather conditions, including warm weather clothes, cool weather clothing, and a rain jacket. Don't forget a comfortable pair of walking shoes and any necessary formal wear. Pack essential toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, and sunscreen. Remember travel-sized toiletries for carry-on bags. Don't forget to pack chargers for your devices and a portable charger for emergencies. If you're flying in or out of the US, remember that liquids need to be in a clear bag and no larger than 3 ounces to pass TSA inspection. International travel may have additional regulations. For longer trips, we suggest traveling with your must-haves and purchasing smaller sizes of liquids once you arrive. Cruise vacations. Highlight the need for formal attire for dinner and casual wear for daytime activities. We also recommend using a small purse or waist bag for carrying essentials on the ship. Beach vacations. Don't forget the need for sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, and swimwear. Remember to pack extra swimwear. I suggest using a waterproof tote bag for beach essentials. Outdoor adventures. Pack weather-appropriate clothing, sturdy footwear, and outdoor gear. Also consider a backpack to carry essentials like water, snacks, and a first aid kit. International travel download and a mobile app for language guide. I recommend DeepL. DeepL is your go-to AI translation and writing assistant for precise translations, powerful grammar fixes, and clear style enhancements. Click the link below in the description to access the app. Search Google for a currency converter, and remember to bring an international adapter. Remember to pack a carry-on bag with essential documents and medications. Roll your clothes. This space-saving technique can help you pack more efficiently. Use packing cubes, organize your belongings, and maximize space in your suitcase. Wear your bulkiest items. Wear your heaviest items, like boots or a jacket, on the plane to save space in your luggage. Check baggage restrictions. Familiarize yourself with airline baggage policies to avoid unexpected fees. By following these packing tips, you can ensure a stress-free and enjoyable travel experience. Remember to pack light, pack smart, and most importantly, have fun. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below with your favorite travel destination. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.